Hard times calls for fast food, the kind that you can grow.
When times get tough, growing your own food becomes more than a hobby. It becomes a lifeline. Shelves empty, prices rising, you don't have to panic. You can grow food fast at home.
So right here I have some pak choys that I'm about to plant. Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate you all and God bless you all.
Whether you're dealing with rising prices, supply shortages, or you simply want more control over your food supply, there are some fast growing crops that will help you get fresh food on your table quickly, and pak choy is one of them. Most of all, pak choy can grow in small spaces. It can grow in unpredictable weather, so anyone can start today. Besides, in times of uncertainty, growing your own food gives you peace of mind. And fast growing crops makes it easier than ever. You don't need acres of land. You don't need special tools. You just need seeds, soil, and the will to start. I am here to grow with you. I will share what I know, and of course, we can grow together. All right, so make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who wants to take control of their food supply. Pak choy is one of the crops that takes 4 weeks to grow, and probably earlier as well. Of course, you want to grow it in cool weather or partial shade and a nutrients rich soil. You want to ensure that it has consistent moisture as well. So it needs to get at least 3 to 5 hours of sunlight per day. It is a nitrogen loving plant, so it thrives well with nitrogen rich soil. You can add beneficial compost, and you can make your own liquid fertilizer and apply it weekly. You can plant them in containers, in raised beds, or in ground. I've harvested tons of pak choys from my garden in previous videos. So I am going to link maybe one or two in the description, and so you can take a look at those beautiful harvests. They are very easy to grow, very nutritious, and I'm telling you, some of the times when my pak choys grow, it's just a beauty to look at. I wonder if I should harvest or should just sit and look at them. If only I could be fed by just looking. Pak choy is a nutrient-dense vegetable. It is low in calories and fat that is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, along with essential minerals like calcium, potassium, and folate. It also provides protein, fiber, and a small amount of carbohydrates. No, pak choy can be prepared in so many different ways. And the one I love the most, well, let's say the two I love the most is steamed pak choy. And it doesn't have to have saltfish, just steam with some carrots and some sweet peppers and some onions and some tomatoes with thyme and garlic. Oh, I love me some steamed pak choy, and I also love stir fries. Yes, so I love using pak choy in my stir fry. So some nice chicken breast stir fried with some pak choy.
Let us grow smart and stay ready. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet John